Now let's break this down. Let's look at your trade. Let's look at the full 2-minute EWO on Apple. All right. So we can get an idea of what's going on. And I'm going to show you this trade. First set right here. Is it larger? Sure. It's kind of tough. It's been red the whole time, but that's okay. Let's say by some crazy chance you jump in on this, you get in here, you get burned. Now, I heard you talking about percentages. If you were in a call and this breaks down and you get all these big giant bloody candles and it's already changed color, you don't need to wait 25%. You don't need to wait 6%. It's already telling you, get out, get out, get out, long candle, get out. Do you see what I mean? It's just in the questionable. And we'll say right here, let's say you're like, oh, I'm on the fence. So here's your first trade, junk. Here's your second trade. I don't even know if I would get in this. You guys see any of these that are forming longer than the other? It's just, I mean, that's terrible, right?
Yep.
And it's loitering around VWAP. The other thing that I always tell you guys is never trade if it can't leave VWAP. The reason is because it'll just sit here and chop up around that level, right? It doesn't know what it wants to do. Now, it could keep touching, and it breaks through. Well, if that's the case, you're going to then start getting the candles that it should look like, right? Nice longer candles. Great. So first trade, junk. Second trade, no way I'd get in it. Third trade, I get in on this one or this one. Do you see it? Here's your payday. Check it out. See this? There's your payday. See it? So here comes the other rule is we don't cherry pick our trades. Well, what do you mean by that, coach? I mean, we go with what the trades give us. So here's what I mean by this. You're like, oh, I got in this one and I got burned. And then I got in this one I shouldn't have, but I got burned. I'm not taking this one. We already know it was sitting around VWAP, right? And that sucks.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want it. But if you look at right here and right here, do you see how it broke above VWAP? That's
Yes,
1 star. The trend is now moving to the upside. There's another star. I think it broke the 200 right here. That's another star. You see how we're building momentum. The candles are getting bigger. That's another star. You got now you broke the double right here. There's another star. You see how we just mentally add on and add on and add on. So we're like more and more and more and more and more confident in this trade. So even if it does these little pullbacks, we don't care. We leave them alone. I mean, you're in, an 80-star trade. Like, why do I care? It does this. If you look at this, almost the exact same thing happened here, just like with SPY. So same thing, same drill, right? We're already in the 2-minute. So there's your trigger. Let me put in the 10 o'clock for those of you that don't trade until 10 o'clock. I always just like this so you guys can see what it would look like for you. Obviously, you don't get this big, strong move, but you also don't get the volatility. So right here was your first trade. Came down, pulled back, shave, came down, pulled back, shave, came down, pulled back. And again, you could have either gotten out or you had the diamond hands sticker. I'm in the camp of sorry, I would have got out. I'm not. I ain't into all that. But if that's for you, great, awesome, good job. So that's one trade, right? So if you did stay in it, you could have went here to here to here. And of course, down here, you definitely should be getting out of that thing, right?